Hi guys, it's Tiffany. We're going to make a pink skull tonight. I'm going to use this. It's a cherry blossom color. I am using deep pour resin for the first time because this mold, last time I put salt in it, so it made it where there really wasn't that much resin in it, but this time it's going to be filled up with all resin. So I feel a deep pour resin is definitely what we need to go with today. So what I'm going to do is I will make part of it up with this pink, and then part of it I will add some white to it also to give it a lighter pink color. And then kind of marble it into the mold. And go figure, this being the first time that I used deep pour resin, I knew it was a 2-to-1 resin. I knew that. But I still started off trying to make it 1-to-1, a 1-to-1 ratio. I realized it as I was almost done measuring out the second part and realized, oh no, I need more of the other one. So I ended up making more than I had planned. So I have a little soap dish off to the side right now, and we'll go ahead and make it up with what's left. I think I'll be cute. Pink soap dish. Let's see. Let's go with that. Get these two pink cups mixed up. Sorry, I think this one needed a little bit more. That one I'm going to be adding white to. This is actually quite a bit of resin because, let's see. Yep. Sorry. This is actually quite a bit of resin because this takes 310 milliliters of resin. You figure I made approximately 450 milliliters of resin though, because I was thinking I was trying to do 300 milliliters, but I didn't do it in the 2-to-1 version ratio. So I had to then add another 150 of the part A, I believe it is. My mistake, but that's okay. That just means I'm making another item also. I think that'll be good. Now, add a little bit of white. Two stringy drops. See if that makes a difference yet. I don't want to overdo it, but I do want it to be enough where there is a color difference. Let's do a little, one more. Yeah, make it 2 more. There we go. Okay. I just want to make sure none of it was sitting on the bottom. As I was stirring it, I'd been scraping the bottom also, but I just want to make sure none was still sitting there. I couldn't see any, so. Alright, there we go. I think that's good. I almost want to add darker. I do. Be right back. Could this be a mistake? Yes, it could. But I'm doing it anyhow. I'm not putting a full drop. I am literally just getting a tiny, tiny little bit. And it may muddy up. Ooh, this could get interesting. Okay, this is now a really cool, darker color. It's still pink, but it is a darker pink. A darker, more muted pink. But I think that the marbling is going to come out so much more so. Alright, so. And really, it's going to be more of just a blending of the colors, so. First one I can drop down pretty easy. Let's see if it's too. The deep pour I've never done it before, so I don't know how well it's going to work. The only thing I can do is try it. And I'm running it down the side so it eases down a little bit better. It doesn't push itself underneath the top layer as much. At least until it's fuller. Alright, let's just try that for now. A little more. Okay. There we go. Okay. We're gonna have to wait and see how that comes out. Could be good, could be bad. I don't know yet. I'm gonna move it over though. And oh, there we go. I put some tape, masking tape, around the outside of it because this mold is a little wobbly. I'm hoping they'll help keep the walls from falling out too much. We'll just have to wait and see. It might be easier to do the marbling on a wide open surface like this versus in there. Okay. I'll go ahead and make up a little bit more with the resin I have left. I just didn't have room in the cups. I won't make you watch this part. You know what I was doing, the colors I was using. I may not do more with the black. I may just do regular and light and see how that finishes that up. All right? So I'll let you see it on when it's time to demold it. It'll be a couple days. Remember, deep pour resin does take longer before it's fully cured to demold, but that's all right. All right. It's been about 2.5 days and they feel firm. So I think they are cured. Remember, this was with the deep pour resin. So get tape off. We'll do this, the soap holder first. See how it came out. The underside looks cool, but unfortunately, that's the underside. Let's see what the top looks like. Oh, not much marbling, but wow. That's really cool the way it came out. The sides change it up too. I'm gonna guess that, you know what, I can't even guess. But it looks cool. It's pretty. Okay, here's the big one. Let's see how it came out though. Try to loosen it up around the bottom. All right, here we go. Huh. Oh, even in the eyes, look at there. It looks like bubbles, but you don't feel it. They're smooth. Okay. That's different. It's not what I expected. It's a very pretty pink. I do like the way the pink ended up being. And then you got the other pink. Looks like it more sunk down. I wonder if the white helped pull it down some. because I did put more white. I don't know, but it looks cool. It is a really cool effect. It didn't do the normal marbling that we were kind of hoping for, but the way the pinks did do is pretty cool. I just need to shave around the edge. That won't be hard. Well, at least for me, with the deep pour resin that I used, it looks like I cannot do a good marbling with it. Maybe if I found a different deep pour resin, I'm not sure. I'm not going to blame deep pour resin at all because I think it just had too long to be able to sit there and slowly blend and allow the one pink to sink. So, well, not what we were hoping for, but still really pretty. It is pretty. What do you think? Came out different from what we thought it would, don't you think? Let me know your thoughts on this skull. This was with deep pour resin. So, I'm gonna have to figure out something else. Alright. Thank you for watching. You have a good one. Bye, guys.